Okay, let's take a look at how to achieve a print on pebble like this, where we've got a printed detail printed on a wooden base. So first off, in CAD we need to have designed or modelled a jig, and that is going to secure that wooden substrate. And then we will also need to incorporate in these models our actual design that is going to be printed on the wooden base as well. Now the most important thing is the height of the jig from the base of the tray to the top of the jig, and that is where we're going to tell the printer to pause, and then we will insert the substrate and then print the design. Now within GrabCAD we'll open up a new project, and we're going to open up the new Pro feature Print on Object, and we can go through the workflow. So we've created this assembly that we just spoke about, and then we're going to go off and import that into GrabCAD Print. So here we have our assembly with 3 bodies, and just for ease of use we can open it in the disassembled view, and we can rename our files. The object, the jig, and the designed model. We can reassemble that, and let's make those material assignments now. So for the substrate we're going to assign air. For our jig we will assign a white material, and then we can make sure that we have a color assigned for our design. We can make sure that we have print directly on tray selected, and now we can move on to back onto the print on object, and we're going to go define a planned stop, and we'll add a stop at 12 millimeters, and we can send the part to print.